In this video, I got my first air rifle, and we're gonna be taking it squirrel hunting in my backyard. But first, we gotta unbox it.
Let's open this thing up. Y'all check this out. Ah! Boom. Boom. Look at that. All right, so I assume this is the scope. So we're gonna leave that right there for now. Boom. Check that out. Where's the safety? Is that the safety? The safety's on the trigger. That's weird. All right. It is plastic, although the rings are metal.
I don't know how to put this on, so
I'm gonna try and figure it out. After 5 minutes of attempting, I might go watch a video. We'll see. Good morning, everybody. It's been a week since you saw me, but I was having troubles with the scope, so I just stole my dad's scope. It wouldn't sight in, and now it's sighted in. So we're going hunting. Let's get our boots. All right, I'm not gonna bring this whole thing because it'll shake and make a noise. So I'm just gonna get a handful and put it in here, and then we'll load up one. It's really foggy out. All right, I don't know if there would already be squirrels out, but there might be deer, so I'm gonna be real quiet. I think it rained. That sucks because then my chair is gonna be wet. Let's see if these chairs are wet. These chairs are wet. I'm gonna go grab it. All right, here's our sniper's nest. That's squirrel sign right there. And there. And there. It's illegal shooting light now. So if there's a squirrel, I can't shoot it. That's not my target. I could take him if I wanted to, though. He's behind the bush now. That'd be a little hard. His brother's up there somewhere. I see his tank. It's just sitting there. I'm not gonna shoot him. He's doing acrobatics up there, dude. He's right there. I'm looking at him. They're chasing each other down the tree. That means that's the big one. And those are the two little ones. And this is the big one right here. I see him up there. Dude, this is insane. I need him to come down there. But those squirrels are going freaking mad. I missed him. He didn't even notice that I shot at him, dude. He's still there. He's getting closer, so I'm Please stop going up. That's a fat freaking squirrel. Stay still. Stay still. Stay still. He's just sitting there. How am I missing, dude? That's a 25-yard shot. There's a squirrel right there. I hit him. I just hit him. I hit him. I hit him. I think I hit him. I did not hit him. I don't want to shoot that way. There's houses. He's coming down. If he comes all the way down, I'll shoot. He's right there. He was right there, bro. I had such a perfect shot on him. All right, we got a grand total of 19 minutes to hunt. I warmed up a little bit, got to start school. Holy moly. Did it get foggy air out? There's a squirrel right there. He's just sitting there. No. Don't move. Alright, we're here for our second day of hunting. I'm about to fall asleep, man. I can't keep doing this every day. I'm gonna die, dude. I can't wake up early, dude. I don't do this. Got our gun, gloves. Oh, it's not cold out. See if I can get him to sit still. He's running away. I'm pretty sure I just shot at a stick. What is that? Or even is it? No, that's a squirrel. That's a squirrel. He moved. Oops. It's good. So I did move the scope forward about an inch, and it looks a lot better. I'm not having as much issues, and I'm aiming up. I can see pretty nice. The squirrels were just out here, so we're gonna be real sneaky. Holy crap, that squirrel ran fast. This overlook is not as good as I thought it would have been. That's a pot. Okay. So the squirrels might be down there at the pile right now. So I'm gonna go wide and come in. So so that I can see it at a good distance. I don't think there's any squirrels out right now, man. When I seen that one, that's it. I'm gonna sneak up over there. If there's no squirrels eating out the pile, I think I'm gonna go shoot just to sight this in and make sure it's still sighting in. Let's see if it shoots any more accurately. I see a squirrel. I see a squirrel. I see him. I got him. He's tweaking out. He's tweaking out. He's tweaking out. Hey, buddy. He fell in the pond. I want to get him out, but I don't want to pick him up if he's still alive, dude. I got him, bro. We got a squirrel. We got a squirrel. All right, I'm gonna try and get him out. I don't want to touch him if he's gonna freaking kill me. I don't want to get bit by a squirrel. Because if he's still alive, man, I don't want to get bit. If I get him out of this and he just flops down, then he's dead. I think he is, though. He dead, man. We got a really, really wet squirrel. That was crazy, bro. He started tweaking, and then he fell in the freaking... He might have already been dead, and that was just... Hannah!
What?
You want to touch a squirrel?
Yes. You get one?
Yeah.
Oh my god! Leave one of my shoes.
So he fell in the pond, so he's really wet. Yeah, he's dead. He ain't gonna kill you.
Yeah, Gum, you got a big one, Joe.
Yeah! She's gonna cry, man. Alright, well, I'm gonna go ahead and skin him up.
Are you recording that?
What?
That looks disgusting.
Is it tough?
Yeah.
Not bad. I taste the burnt part first, but I mean the inside's not bad.
It didn't taste bad.
Mm-hmm.
It didn't taste gamey,
Mm-hmm.
but
What did it taste like?
I have a mental block, like the fact that I'm eating squirrel, so it's like,
Okay, Hannah, what do you think?
So good.
It's so
We
good.
need more of it.
Alright.
I'm gonna try with barbecue sauce.
Success. Would you say it's a success?
Six.
Do you think it's a success?
Yeah. Wait, can you get more squirrels?
Yes.